Testing MiniMax H3 locally, adding LTX 2.3 upscale pass on top of the base output is a massive difference in final detail.
Let's look at some generation I did with frames. You can call them multi-shot generation, I guess, that we are capable of doing with Sedance 2.0 or 2.5, creating frames generation of images using the best possible image generation model first.
Instead of just guessing with a prompt, I built a reference tag first. This locks the subject's identity, wardrobe, and vehicle fleet across multiple distinct shots. By holding a single prompt scaffold across every separate keyframe, the color grading and the visual mode don't drift between cuts. What is great about this is that the entire sequence was generated locally on a single 16 GB GPU. Every single frame gets its own independent motion. From falling to transforming to swinging, MiniMax really rewards prep work. If you plan your shots and lock down your variables, the final output is remarkably consistent.
Thanks for watching, and if you want more details, deep dive explanation on the process I have used from the start to end, please make sure to subscribe and place a comment.